This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 59 of Building Optimus Prime. This issue, we've got some screws to put in. It's a new thing to do on this part of the build. First of all, of course, we're going to look through the magazine. We've got Bruce Bezos from the films. We've got Crossing Over. Not sure what that's about, but if you want to read that, all about that, feel free. I'm just here for the building, really, but you can always read the magazine. Frenzy, I'm familiar with that name. Tape, don't know, was that tape? That was a different one. Was the tape? Shockwave was the sound, the player. Don't remember who the tape was, but there we go. Beast Wars Neo, it's still going back to robots and dinosaurs and things like that. Snail? Would you have chosen a snail? Is it snail? Looks like some sort of snail. I don't know. Definitely scraping the bottom of the barrel for the ideas for what to make, though, aren't they? So yes, this is 23 of the torso. We're going to be attaching the door that we built last time. We're building another door. I think it's a door. What does it say? It is right back plate. That's just what it calls it. There we go. Another drum, this one without the batteries in it. And yeah, fitting that up. So we're getting the back even more together. So yeah, I'm liking how this comes together. Let me clear this out of the way and we'll get it built. So first up, we've got the door from last time that we didn't attach. We will attach that now. I don't know why we didn't attach it before, because it's going around here somewhere. We did this, maybe that bit had to go on place first. I don't really know. It looks like there are 3 pins. Yeah, right. I'm going to have to check exactly which way round it goes because I can't really tell. Let's have a closer look. It shows it from a sort of strange angle. Definitely got that. Around. I really can't tell. I'm going to jump ahead from the instructions and see about where the other one goes. Once that's put together. Flamey bits at the top. So it's definitely going that way round. So yeah, they sort of line up with those. So let's see if I can get those lined up in there. That feels like a thing. So yeah, there we go. That's that attached on there. Obviously something else to go over that bit, but not yet. First of all, we've got to build the rest of it. So let me put that down that way around, actually. There we go. So we've got to build this like we did last time. That bit goes on there. Way round, just pops on. Bit pops over there. Like that. Then that will go on the other side. But first we build up the drum. This one is easier to do than the other one because there's no electronics to put into it. So yeah, got a bit that sticks out going over there. That should pop onto there. That bit slides into the grooves on there. That one is a much better fit than the other one. The other one I did add a touch of glue to just hold in place, but that's not going to be necessary on that. So then we need the 2 screws from here. Put that together. They will go through there to hold that in place on the opposite side to the one that we've already done. On there like that, and that one in there. Other screw, other side. Then get them both tightened up. Nice, I like that. Then this bit goes on there exactly the same way around as the other one. Just lining up, hopefully. Out there. A little bit higher, I think. I feel this first post, the lone post. Try and get that located. And then the other two should slot into place. There you go. That feels like that. Oh, that was that. There we go. And there we go. That's that. The back is now coming along, looking almost as good as the front. Yeah, we couldn't really have done that until we got the back panels on and the neck bit. So, yeah, I'm happy with how that's working. Still got bits to attach and still lots of loose bits that wobble, but we'll get there. For now, that is that. Join me next time for the next issue when we're continuing the torso. Might be the neck next time. I think we're getting close to that. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.